Hello everyone. Today we're doing a relaxing ride along the canal. This is the canal that helps irrigate this whole area, and more precisely the orange trees that you're seeing in the video. They cover 50,000 hectares, and the main body of water that fuels the canal, that transfers into it, comes from central Spain, actually not far from Madrid. This is an area which we really like to cycle in, and today we're going slower because the whole weekend I worked on the bikes. I swapped the tires back to front and front to back, and if you're wondering why I did that, is because I like to wear them evenly. I like them to wear evenly. So I have a video about that, explaining why it's a good idea, why it could be a good idea to do that. You just click on the link here. Paula is using my commuter bike. I sometimes use it for medium to long distance rides, and today I would say it's in better shape because I recently washed it and I installed a TPU inner tube on the back, because most of the rolling resistance is located on the back wheel. And if you watch my other video, you'll have an explanation as to why. So I made sure the bike fits Paula, lowered the saddle a bit. And how are you feeling on my commuter bike? How is it?
It's nice. The saddle is a bit uncomfortable for me.
Saddle is uncomfortable?
Yes, but apart
All
from
right.
that, I think the size is actually good.
Yeah.
The size difference between us is not that
Yeah. You seem to be comfortable. I mean,
Yeah.
if I analyze you from the side, it looks like you have a good posture. So yeah,
Yeah.
this, yeah. So this is a 16-year-old bike, by the way. I'll present it in a separate video because it does deserve that. Yeah. Just pausing the discussion about bikes to show you the surroundings. This is Las Ramblas Golf. It's a golf area. Very nice. Stunning, absolutely stunning. There's a golf course over there and a ravine next to it, and it just looks stunning, absolutely stunning. We love it. And with the canal nearby, that's the kind of view you want to have. But yeah, sorry for pausing the technical discussion about bikes. I've been working on them the whole weekend, probably 6 hours in total. I swapped the tires on the other bikes as well, cleaned all of them, and removed my chain rings on the giant TCR because there's a recall program. So I took them to the nearest authorized Shimano dealer. They will send it further for inspection and hopefully replacement. Hopefully I'll be able to receive the new cranks. I think they're Ultegra R8100. Yeah. Or even if they give me back the same ones, but without any issues, I'm still okay with that. So yeah. Yeah, this has to be one of my favorite areas to cycle in. Probably yours as well, right, Paula? Yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. You'll see lots of people exercising, running, even preparing for competitive events. Like, well, I think they're training for triathlon as well. I've seen athletes training around here, and yeah, this canal is really, really nice. We also come here when we simply want to cycle in peace without worrying about traffic. There are some segments on which cars are allowed to drive, but they're quite short and they don't create too many problems. You enjoying? The reason why Paula is using my old giant bike today is because we have a problem with her bike. We we had two pinch flats caused by the tire levers when I swapped the tires back to front and front to back, because her tires are super stubborn. They're so difficult to get on the rims. She has carbon rims and Continental GP 4000, which are fantastic tires, very, very grippy, very reliable, good puncture protection, and so on. But when it comes to installing them, especially on carbon rims, oh my God, it's a nightmare. So we managed to do it in the end with cello tape. I have a new method that I'm using right now, and makes things easier. But yeah, my fingers are still sore. Oh. Yeah, that was the only thing that worked. It was not easy. Um, but I'll probably make a video about that. Maybe a very short video to show you how I do it with cello tape. And we are now close to the local cycling cafe, which is called Lovelo. This is where the local teams, not teams, sorry, cycling groups meet, and it's just over there. And they have very good coffee, nice atmosphere, and of course, you can sip on your coffee while being surrounded by very nice road bikes, which I absolutely love. And they also have an acai, right? Acai smoothie, because the wife of the owner is from Brazil, I think, right? Yeah, they have a very nice acai smoothie, which is not very easy to find in the area.